here we should see there is a couple of freelancing websites are there. Okay, I will
Hmm.
send you that links to you after this session. And in that freelancing, what do you feel about freelancing? What does mean by freelancing?
It's a hourly based job.
Uh,
Hourly based job. Some part time work we can do in it.
okay, then
Nothing else.
freelancing in the sense work from home. Okay, work from
Hmm.
from home.
Hmm.
There is no boss yet. There is no bossism.
Okay.
When you want to do, you can do. Whenever you don't want to do, you can do. Okay,
Okay.
that is nothing but a freelancing. Okay, so freelancing in the sense we are a IT developers. Okay,
Hmm.
so we are from IT category. Okay, in the sense we are developing kind of websites using
Hmm.
kind of different kinds of technology like React JS, React JS, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. etc. Okay,
Hmm.
so these are the technologies which we are doing. Even you should say some advocates also may do freelancing. Okay, something health representative also can do freelancing, medical representative, and so on. Teachers also can do freelancing, hiring from projects and everything. Every category of the people are doing freelancing nowadays due to COVID.
Hmm.
Okay, this pandemic period, everyone is doing work from home in online itself.
Okay.
So here we should see if we discuss about our society, you may know about the situation. We may know about the situation. In our category, there is a very most important, very useful website is there. Freelancing, freelancing, freelancing.com website is there. Okay, I will personally prefer you. This is the best one. Why?
Okay.
There is a couple of benefits are there. Okay, to do freelancing with this freelancing.com. So here we should see that is the website freelancer.com. Sorry, freelancer, Lancer, not CER, freelancer.com. Okay, okay. So here I had one account also. I had couple of accounts, not a single account.
Hmm.
So in that account, I am doing some freelancing. Okay. So
Hmm.
now we should see here, we should see this is a freelancer.com. Even
Hmm.
advocates, doctors, medical representatives, teachers, whoever want to do, we can do. But if you want to do as a freelancer, you should know some process. There is
Hmm.
two types of finance are there in this freelancer. Number one is employee. Okay, employee, and number two is employer, employer. So whoever doing some projects, okay, whoever doing some project, whoever working, okay, searching for work, searching
Hmm.
for work, he is an employer.
Hmm.
Whoever will provide some work, okay, providing some work, he is an employee. He will
Okay.
hire you, he will employee will hire you, employer. Okay. Employee will search for his work.
No,
Okay.
I think employer provides some work and employee need to search
Yeah,
for
yeah,
work.
yeah. Sorry. Employer in the sense. Employer will provide some project. Yes. Employee will do.
Hmm.
Okay. So employee will
Search for work.
search for a work. He will do some work. Okay. So here we should see employer can hire an employee for hour basis. Okay,
Hmm.
hour basis, or for monthly basis. R for his website support purpose. R for piece of IAC, piece of work purpose. We may hire someone else. The nature of work having like this. You can work for
mm,
hour. You can work for monthly. You can give some support for employer. Okay, for
mm,
his website. Even they will provide some piece of work. This kind
mm,
of projects will available over here in this website.
mm,
So even website had even employer or employee whoever it may be. Even freelancer had some requirements. There is a specific require REQUIREMENTS requirements are there for employee as well as employee also. Okay, employer as well as employee also. Now
mm,
we should see what are the requirement. Okay, that employer or employee. So we are employees, no?
mm,
Searching for work. We need to register with this one. First of all, what we need to do is we need to register with that freelancer.com, and we need to make okay, we need to make our profile. Okay,
mm,
and we need to provide our bank details also.
mm,
After that, we need to provide our okay subject category of topic subject, which is subject, which category of projects you are searching for. We need to provide that category of subject also. Okay, and
mm,
after that we need to maintain our profile in our freelancer.com to
mm,
show the employee. Okay,
mm,
so being as an employer, what we are doing, we are just searching for work. So we need to manage our profile in freelancer. Okay. So
mm,
then after that, whoever is contacting for website for specific purpose, we need to contact that one.
mm,
Okay. So by default, a freelancer will give some access to contact that employer. Okay.
mm,
So if you are a employee, okay, you had six chances, CHANCES. Okay, chances to contact to employer. Okay,
mm.
so this is free of cost. For free, they are providing only six contact. Okay, there is a
Okay.
six chances is there. In the sense, you can contact six employers for different types of projects.
Okay.
They may hire you
Francis means free for free account.
for free account. Okay,
Okay.
so they may, for if you contacted six employers, they may contact you or may not contact, because there is a huge number of employees are searching for work for
Mm-hmm.
from employer. Okay,
Okay.
so that what we need to do is there is another subscription is there. Okay, there
Mm,
is another paid subscription is there. It had a couple of paid subscriptions. If you take paid subscriptions, 100% you will get a employer for their requirement in your category of job. Okay,
mm,
so paid subscription, to make the payment, you need to provide your bank details,
mm,
as well as while employee is hiring you for his work, he will trust you. He will trust you according to your profile in freelancer.com.
okay.
Your profile should be okay, need to provide some bank details.
Mm,
Then this employer will okay trust you. They cannot make any type of payment
mm,
via bank transfer or via phone pay, gpay, like
mm,
that.
mm, mm, mm.
They will only make the payment from freelancer themselves. So where are from? Employers are belongs to either United States or Canada, 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 or something 1%, 2% people are from Pakistan, and some other people from India itself. Okay, all over India we will get India itself and Australia. Another one is Japan is there. Mostly Japan persons are searching for IT professionals. Japan and there and Canada, Australia.
Hmm.
Okay, Australia something. AUSTRILLA, Australia something else. Okay, so how we can receive money from that employer? Because
Hmm.
these India is using INR. Okay,
Hmm.
but US, Canada, and some Japan, Australia persons are using something currency known as dollars.
Hmm.
Universal currency is dollars.
Hmm.
What happening is, for example, if you one employee hire for piece of work, okay, you are selected for his work. That the cost would be $50. How much in Indian currency? Approximately 4,000, right? Okay. So first of all, he will make half of the payment, like $25. So how can he make? He will make the payment to your freelancer account.
Hmm.
Then freelancer will convert that $25 into INR and will deposit that money from this employer to your account.
Okay.
So the dollars will convert it from dollars to INR.
Hmm.
So what happening is you will receive your money into your bank account.
Hmm.
The transaction also you can able to find out in your profile wherever you created your account in
Hmm.
freelancer.com. And but here there is another, okay, another requirement you need to accept with freelancer. When they are, okay, giving you, when they are giving you this 50% to $50, they will charge something commission from that 50%.
Okay.
$5 or whatever it may be, depend upon their requirements. Okay, there it has something requirement is there, it will show on that bid. So that here we should see employer needs to pay $5 to freelancer. Employee also make the payment of $5 to freelancer. So freelancers, what are they doing is they are providing employers as well as they are providing employees also, and they
Hmm.
are taking care of this payment and they are charging. To
Okay.
hire employer to hire employee, we need to take a paid subscription. There also they are charging.
Hmm.
That is the freelancer.com. Okay, requirements. We need to make that one. Okay. So
Hmm.
for that, if you here we should see there is a we discussed about it. It had a couple of six default chances are there now.
Hmm.
So chances in the sense these are called as a bids. If you contact one person, that it is a bid. Okay, it
Okay.
is called as a bids. So they will provide you six bids.
Okay.
So here we should see this is the freelancer.com website.
Hmm.
So that what I will do is I will share you this link to you also. Now we should see there is a couple of browse jobs. It had couple of jobs also be there. Okay.
Hmm.
Even here in this freelancer, they will provide not only employer hourly basis, monthly basis support and piece of work. They will provide you one contest also. Okay, contest in the sense.
Hmm.
And number two, second one is context and another one is contest. Yeah, contest also. Contest in the sense, for example, okay, there is an employee is there. He is starting one, okay, one bus
Hmm.
booking website. Here he wants to, okay, invest something money, either 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or 50,000. This context is having huge amount. Here, if you are win this contest, you will earn a 1,50,000 also. Okay, so there is a lot of competition also with it. So what
Hmm.
he is doing is he requires his booking website to logo. You need to create that one. He requires one website with 25 pages, including Okay, front end and back end also, back end development also. Okay, and he requires website hosting also. He need hosting also. You need to provide a hosting, and he need some, what it means, handbills. Okay, he need some handbills, pamphlets, handbills also, and he need some flex also for his bus service, cardboards, front end board or something boards. Or okay, is there na? Need to design that flex board also, and need to do everything from basic to advanced level. Whatever he requires, you need to design that one. He will,
Mm.
okay, make a bid, and he will give you some description about his requirement. We need to design all those things. You may take one
Mm.
week time, 10 days time. So you need to participate with that contest. Okay, if you are won that contest, if this employer will hire you, he will give this entire project to you. You may manage one team, or you can do yourself. They will give you certain time. In that time only, you need to finish their requirement. That contest may had 50 to 5 lakhs, up to 5 lakhs is there. 5 lakhs contest also be available there in that freelancer.com.
Mm.
Okay. So first of all, to register with this freelancer, what we need to do is we need to use, okay, something, your mail ID. It should be very unique. It should
Mm.
be okay. Only for purpose of freelancer, you need to create one your mail ID, and you
Mm.
need to follow one Facebook account also. You need to, okay, link Facebook account with freelancer, so that you
Okay.
can get a lot of leads, lot of employers may search for you.
Mm. Mm.
And you need to maintain something genuine mobile number to contact employee to you.
Okay.
Okay, someone gives you WhatsApp number, someone gives a friend's number, so it couldn't acceptable. You can provide that one, but employer cannot okay, contact you. They consider as a this is a fake account, like that.
Mm.
So
Mm. Mm.
whatever you are using your mail ID, whatever you are using Facebook or okay, LinkedIn account also they are required. LinkedIn account also they required, and they required
Mm.
your genuine phone number. So that what happening is whatever profile you wants to make or in this freelancer, it would be a very genuine, unique, transparent person, or employers will hire the transparent person. So
Mm.
now we should see how that bids seems to be, and what are the charges they will charge for subscription.
Mm.
So now we should see. I had one account is there. Okay, so I will go with that account. Arey yaar, I forget that one. SUPPORT support at CGVA.co.in. This is my personal one. Okay, just a minute. So this is my password. Now we should. So what I'm doing is I am using my mail ID, and I would like to log in into my account. Now we should see this is our, okay, freelancer account.
Okay.
So please provide your income tax identification. If you are doing above 1 lakh or above 50,000 business over by using this freelancer.com, you need to provide GST something, Indian government certifications, as well as they will charge 5% of commission. This is online business. You can get projects. Okay. So how much you earn, you will get over here, this also. Okay. You
Okay.
need to provide. Here I will show my account, view my profile. Here we should see it seems to be like this. Okay, so this is my profile. So if you want to share your profile to anyone, so here
Mm.
you should see I verified my email ID. There is a Facebook connection is there. I couldn't verify my, okay, Facebook account. Mobile number is there. Payment also. Identification verification. If you are verified all those details, your profile would be very transparent one. So here
Okay.
we should see I created August 2022.
Hmm.
So when any kind of employer wants to hire you, then he will observe this thing. When did you join?
Okay.
Okay, when did you join?
Hmm.
And where are you from? What is your hourly rate in dollars?
Hmm.
So try to use this hourly USD. Please don't use any kind of $200, $100, $50, $30 like that.
Hmm.
What
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
need to do is initially, if you want to work with, if you want to get any project, you need to use five to in between $5 to $10 itself.
Okay.
Okay, if you did any kind of projects, you need to insert those projects into portfolio items.
Hmm.
After that, here we should see reviews. This will affect your profile.
Hmm.
So, for example, one employer hired you for our basis. You what happening is one employee gave 100% satisfaction to this person,
Hmm.
promptly responded, promptly submitted everything. So he will give his reviews.
Okay.
While you are getting 5-star reviews, okay, a couple of large number of reviews, then your profile would be okay top position in
Hmm.
freelance.
Okay.
Okay, freelancer will increase your profile views, and there
Hmm.
you will get lot of projects also. That would be very helpful to you. Okay,
Hmm.
so now we should see if you had any experience, you can add. What is your education, you can add. What is your qualification, you can add. If you had any publications in the sense, in any category, did you wrote any kind of articles or any kind of PDF publications?
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
can, okay, you can show over here in your profile. If I told you couple of times, we discussed about cPanel. You can
Hmm.
host your projects by using cPanel, okay? Or you can do freelancing by using cPanel and something like that,
Hmm.
okay? And if you want to show any dummy projects in free hosting, you can use Netify also.
Hmm.
So if you had any profile, even you can show this link in your profile.
Okay.
Netify website also you can show in your website in your resume.
Hmm. Hmm.
And okay, freelancer website also you can do. If you got any project, you can host that website by using FTP cPanel also. Okay, so then what happening is in your CV it would be very okay valuable CV. You had a couple of large number of okay experience is there, na? That experience will count in your account.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is about a profile. So where we can see the bits. Okay,
Okay.
now here we should see top skills in the sense category of website. Okay,
Hmm.
here we should see 75,000 to 1,50,000 INR is there. They are requiring new website. Okay,
Hmm.
whenever employee is making bid, okay, whenever employee is making bid, after entering into your account, it will show left side below corner pop-up box. They will show on pop-up box. Okay,
Okay.
later we should see couple of okay boxes will be there. So refresh over here. So if you want to do freelancing website, what you need to do is daily you need to open your account. Just open your account and put on there, and you can do your project. Then what
Okay.
happening is a freelancer will consider that your system IP address is opening this website, and frequently they are making some bids and hiring some employees and
Hmm.
doing business with the freelancer. So you are a valuable employee. You
Hmm.
can you is a trustable employee. Freelance will consider, and the freelancer will making attendance. How many days did you log into your account? How many bits you made? How many income you earned? They will calculate everything. Okay, so finally here we should see there is a freelancer.com is there. Here we should see if you had a freelancer would like to send you a notification. Later I will check it out. Here we should see this is a dashboard. Okay, so every notice, every precautions, everything they will provide over here in this dashboard. Okay. So
Hmm.
here we should see near jobs. They will show some jobs also, freelancer. So Node.js developer work 12,500 INR. WordPress developer, okay. WordPress site very simple website required from USD, United States of India. Looking for a Shopify developer in India per hour. They will make payment of 100 to 400. React developer Next.js looking for highly experienced. New Zealand dollar is there, $3 to $10. Okay, they will make the payment. Okay,
Hmm.
if you are using $10 to $50 or 50 $40, they couldn't interest in your CV. Okay, so here we should see there is something surveys that you can, okay, you can provide your details. If you are interested about this job, you can contact them directly. For example, I will hit on this job over here. Now we should see they will show you something like this. There you should see need Node.js developer resolve some issues on my website. He is an employee. He is from India, Indian Jaipur. Okay.
Hmm.
He is also not verified phone, email, deposits, payment, identification, not verified. He only verified email ID.
Hmm.
Okay. And here free membership. I am using only free memberships. So it had only 6 bits.
Hmm.
6 bit couldn't work properly because may customer employee may find out my profile or may not find out my profile. Okay,
Hmm.
so it would be something 6 bits, 10 bits, not those bits couldn't get any kind of projects. Okay, so place a bid on this project.
Hmm.
So here what happening is the requirement is Node.js, but he had some issues. Customer had some issues on his website. He is not providing. Okay, he is providing hourly only, not for monthly, not for piece of work. Just he is even,
Support.
yeah, he is need some support, not a support, hourly work only. Support
Hmm.
in the sense, for example, there is one customer is there. He need one e-commerce website. I had one customer. Okay,
Hmm.
e-commerce website. He is a medical representative, branch manager there in the Delhi. Okay, he
Hmm.
had around 100 medicines are there in his hands. He want to resell that 100 medicines by using online. For to maintenance to for that purpose, he wants to do one website. He need one website. So he need one employee. He will make the payment of 15,000 rupees. That employee need to design that website, need to maintain that website. Every month he will make the payment of 15,000, but that employee need to maintain that website. If some other product has been sold out, he had know that product. That employee need to remove that product from website. If branch manager got some more products, so employee need to put all those products into website. So that is nothing but a support. Even we should say that is a monthly work also. Okay, so now here what happening is this employee, he had some issues, need to resolve that one. So
Hmm.
you these skills related to JavaScript, SQL, Node.js, Express.js, AngularJS. Now we
Hmm.
should we need to make the okay bid. So in between his budget is 1,500 rupees to 12,500 is there. Okay,
Hmm.
you need to make bid over here. Okay, so what I will do is I will you can add. So here we should see the if you are you want to work with real time project, you should know about time, how much time it may take to resolve that issue. Time
Hmm.
is mandatory in this IT segment. Okay, so as
Okay.
well as for that solution, how much you can, how much you can expect. So here he
Hmm.
didn't give clear information about that issue. Okay, either page loading or any logic or page linking or images inserting or removing or images are not supporting or lazy loading images are there. What is the issue having
Hmm.
in his website in Node.js? Or API issue, REST API issue, or Node.js not installed properly or installed properly, old version? We don't know about that issue problem.
Hmm.
Okay. So for that, what we need to do is we need to describe our proposal. So what is your website name? What kind of, which kind of website it is? The Node.js is a backend technology.
Hmm.
So which version did you install the Node.js using Node.js? Which technology are you using? Here we should say rebuild website. Latest one employee made a bid. Here we should see that is a bid information. If I hit this
Hmm.
one, we can open this one. Now we should see. Okay. So you need to very sharp if you want to do as a freelancer. Okay, so here we should say we need to write all those questions, something description
Hmm.
about yourself and about your profile. You need to describe over here in this box.
Hmm.
And see what happening is, so if I am expecting 7,000 from employee, okay, so here we should say Shopify password, contact for a contact form edit, okay. So there is a couple of support requirement is there. Recently, two employees have made a bid. Here we should see, for example, so we had 7,000 rupees we are expecting, and freelancer fees is 700 rupees.
Hmm.
Okay, so what happening is you will get around 6,150, 160 rupees. Okay, 700 is his fee, as well as some taxes are there. They are charging 140 rupees also. If you are charging 7,000, you will get only 6,160 rupees into your account.
Okay.
Okay, either bank, which type of bank details you need to provide? You need to provide only PayPal account or Visa bank account only acceptable.
Hmm.
So other than that, Visa bank card or something else, okay, is there na? They couldn't acceptable. This is an international money transfer system. So whatever bank you had, mostly corporate banks only supporting this freelancer website. Okay, if it is a okay state level banks, we need to take permission for our bank account to access internationally.
Hmm.
Okay. So here we should see this is the nature of bid. After that, here over here we should see there another thing is there for Node.js developer work. We should see there is a bid is there, na? So there is a bid is there, na? So Node.js development work. So how many employers made a bid? Okay, here we should see there is a couple of proposals are there. Over 14 members has been contacted to that employee. So each and every employee we should see here they had some reviews. 4.9 reviews are there.
Hmm.
Even they earned 8.2 something dollars income is there. 379 members are contacting for chart total number of reviews received 379 persons. He is from India
Hmm.
and he had two badges: verified freelancer and preferred freelancer badge also be there. If you
Hmm.
got this verified freelancer or preferred freelancer badge, so your profile will be top of the list. Okay.
Okay.
So here we should see there is a couple of one person will complete the task within 2 days and he will charge only 4,000. Okay.
Hmm.
And there is another person 7 days 7,000. Another one is 7 days 12,500. Even he doesn't have any kind of badges. But these two guys are had preferred freelancer badge. They would be very top listed. So here they are also earned two badges as well as corporate freelance. These are the persons from Pakistan, okay, has been registered with the Inca organization, private limited, something like that. Okay, so here
Hmm.
we should see there is a couple of employers also be there. He is from 7 days 7,000, and she is also 7 days 7,000. She is from India, and he is also from India. Had some verified freelancer. Okay, he had around 9 reviews are there. We will check it out. Even we can
Hmm.
check it out their okay profile also. Here we should say full stack developer and he had so and so knowledge. Okay, he had so and so experience. and he did a couple of so and so live projects. Okay, so he is saying he can do like this, like that. That
Hmm.
is the okay procedure. Here we should say Node.js, MongoDB. Employer will see all these experience, all these previous works, all these stuff. Okay, so
Hmm.
that this is the profile. Here we should say she had so and so experience is there. She is also a full stack developer. Had
Hmm.
a couple of things she did. Even she got two more reviews only. Okay, so here we should see. We can see her profile also. This profile seems to be like this. Okay,
Hmm.
see here she is using $20, and he had a couple of okay so and so presentations are there, and she had a couple of reviews. So portfolio items you should see. Whatever we did, we need to show like this. And here we should see there is a couple of reviews also be there. Create front end designer for feedback form, 1200. $140, which she did and got some five-star ratings. Okay, over here. Okay, this is the maintenance of profile. Even she got some project from these technologies. Now here we should say identification verified, payment verified, phone number verified, email verified. If she verified his accounts, that would be a very genuine profile in freelancer
Okay.
account. Need to meant like this. So whenever anyone want to hire her, so he will hit on this one, hire me.
Hmm.
Okay, what you need to do is you need to do like this also. Okay, so now we should see we had a couple of okay bids are there, products are there. So
Hmm.
now we should see browse projects, contest, freelancers. Are you whatever you use or some wish list? You can see by using
Hmm.
bookmark. Okay, here we had a client tools recruiter, technical co-pilot, enterprise, local jobs. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay,
Hmm.
tools had some preferred freelancer, verified membership exams. Even they will provide some exams also. If you qualified that exam, freelancer will provide you some certifications also.
Hmm.
For that exams, you need to make the payment. Okay.
Hmm.
So here we should see project. I will select this project. Here we should see there is a couple of projects are there. Okay. So are you searching for fixed price project or searching for hourly rated? If it is hourly fixed price, how much you will charge? If it is hourly rate, how much you will charge? Which skills? Skills in the sense, here it is, here we should see that is nothing but your category of okay technology. So here we should see it had skills. Listing types. So if someone hirer in the sense employer is there, okay, employer is there, he need urgent work. He is searching for recruitment. He
Hmm.
is he wants for his future project. So he will okay listing that kind of type of project over here. And project location where you want to, okay, where are you belongs to, where you belongs to. So languages, how much languages do you know or you are comfortable? So
Hmm.
here we should see there is a couple of bids are there. So just now we saw one bid is there, rebuild website, right? Hi freelancer, I am here looking for someone that are able to help me to rebuild my website. Around 72 bids, 72 freelancers are made bid, and the
Hmm.
average, okay, average bid cost would be 183 rupees. Okay, so now we should see. I would like to see this one. Here we should see there is a like this kind of okay presentation is there, something description is there. This freelancer from Malaysia, okay, and Petaling Jaya something her name, okay, and he didn't verified, he verified only email ID. And here you can make your proposal and how many days you may take time to deliver the project, how much you will charge. So here we should see $140. If it is $140, they will collect 14.14 as well as $2.80. Totally you will receive only so on so. They will deduct the payment. after receiving the employee. Okay, here we should see. If you want to highlight your proposal for this freelancer employee, okay, so you can buy this, you can take this upgrade the optionals. You need to make the payment of 100 $1.90. So it will be highlighted your bid to this employee. Okay, so
Mm.
now we should see this is the process which you need to follow to maintain your Facebook, to maintain your freelance account. So here, how we can purchase, how to take subscriptions for freelancer to do freelancing projects. Okay. So here, what happening is here we should see there is a, okay, my profile is there. There we should see there is a membership profile is there. Okay, even here we should see withdrawal funds, add funds, how much balance you are maintaining your account, financial dashboard, okay, payment sharing, transaction history, how much you, okay, received, where you received payments. So like kind of financial finances will available over here in this section. And here membership you should see. This is very flexible and easy payment method is there. Here we should see. Per month you can pay 349 rupees per monthly. If it is per year, you need to make the only 4,199 rupees. If it is annual, this is a basic plan. They will provide monthly, they will provide 50 bits.
Mm.
Okay, so you can work with 50 skills, in the sense 50 categories. Web designing, WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Angular, Node.js, API, REST API, like that kind of skills or category of technologies you can mention in your profile up to 50 skills. As well as rewards, you can unlock the rewards. They will provide some rewards also. So unlimited services, okay, preferred freelancer eligibility is available there in the 349 basic plan. Okay, even even employers, if any employers are impressed about your services, about your profile, they can follow your account. Okay, sometimes what happening is, if you, for example, if you took one project, you completed successfully, that employer couldn't contact from your freelancer account. They may contact by your mail ID or by your WhatsApp number, so that they can transfer payment their account to your bank account directly.
Mm.
Depend upon your profile maintenance only, they will, okay, contact you. So here we should say 749 rupees per month. They will provide you 100 bits. 2,400, 500 is there. They will provide 300 bits. 5,000 is there. 1,500 bits are there. Initially, this is enough. While you are starting new career with freelancer, okay,
Mm.
349 basic plan is enough. Because if you contact the 10 bits out of 10, you will get one or two leads.
Okay.
Okay, so after we had 40 bits, na? If you contact if you use that 40 bits, orally out of 50 bits, you made 50 bits, you used 50 bits, then you can easily get around 5 to 10 websites.
Okay.
Either it would be hourly, monthly, supported piece of work. Depends upon employer requirement and your commitment. You can get around 5 to 10 leads. You will make only this payment. For website, you can charge 5,000, 4,000. Okay.
Mm.
So it would be very helpful initial stage. If it is a corporate company, they will charge, okay, they will take either premier one or professional one.
Mm.
Okay, being as a if it is a teamwork, they will take this plan. Okay, being as a individual freelancer, he can take this basic one. If he made any kind of team, or if he made any kind of if he made or hired any kind of employees, so he need to take large number of bids because he had some team. Na? So
Mm.
using teamwork he can do. If you want to take this package, for first month they will provide you free of cost.
Mm.
They will provide you 100 bits. Okay. What happening is No, you need to use 100 beads within that month. Okay.
Okay.
So how much time it will be take? For that purpose, you need to manage some employees or friend circle or one kind of category. You need to maintain one kind of team. Okay.
Hmm.
So we need to put two members. They are only concentrating on making the bids, and remaining two members will do project. And another one member will manage all these things, payments, all these things. So
Hmm.
then five members team need to maintain to do, okay, to manage with this profile, because the two members will making bids. Okay, daily they need to make 5 bids or 10 bids, because
Hmm.
they need to contact with employees. No, they need to discuss with them. They will straight away they will come into chat box and they will contact like this. Hi, what is your requirement? If you had any couple of doubts, you can share your files. Okay, they need to interact with that the employee. Okay,
Hmm.
so then only it is possible to get some projects. So this is very flexible one. So what I will do is simply I will share you this one. Okay, so I will share you this link to you also. What you need to do is after this session, please go through this one. Okay, so this is most important platform you can do. Okay, you can get projects over here. Okay, so here we should say if you had it had a couple of contests also be there. Contest may not okay, or you may get or you may not get. Depends on your fate itself. Okay,
Hmm.
because in that context we may get lot of competition is there. For example, contest here we should say there is something like this is there. Okay, WordPress site, $150, 7 persons only. Okay, joined in this context. Creating a 4-page website, $100, 3 persons only participating this one. Okay, he had this kind of requirement. 4 pages, responsive one. Okay, so they need something requirement. They gave some description also. So how much time it may take to study this one and to understand entire his requirement? How much time it may take? Time is mandatory. Okay. After understanding this one, you will get some doubts. You need to contact that one, but it is a
Hmm.
guaranteed 4 pages website. And here we should see redesign WordPress website. 8 persons has been contacted, but 200 here we should say 200 USD is there. Build a static website. Kind of different kind of projects are available in this freelancer.com. This is the easiest method and most preferable and guaranteed income will available over here in this freelancer. As well as if you need, you can get some jobs also by using freelancer.com. Okay, this
Hmm.
is all about the freelancing, freelancer.com and in freelancing. Do you have any doubts?
Yes, basically, I think that every freelancing website only search for experienced people. So I am the fresher in a React JS. So how can I get any kind of work from that
After,
freelancing?
yeah, after making the bid, they will ask you, are you fresher or experienced?
Okay.
So you can guess that they will make a okay proposal. By
Hmm.
reading that proposal, you should see okay whether they required a fresher or experienced. You can guess yourself. You can do or not. You may know about that one. Okay. In that situation, what you need to do is you need to chat with that person. Sir, I am a basic one. I am a fresher. I had okay 6 months, 3 months experience itself. I did one basic website. That's why I'm telling you, do practice and host some demo website in Netify. If someone
Okay.
asks you, share that link. He will go through that one and he will decide that whether he may hire you or not.
Hmm.
If you don't have any kind of Netify demo work, how he can hire you? How he knows that you had kind of such a kind of subject or may not?
Hmm.
How
Hmm.
he
Hmm.
knows? Okay. If you buy hard the React.js, if you okay explain about that one, he didn't understand even because customer couldn't understand about subject now. He
Hmm.
had one requirement. He need one website. Whether
Hmm.
you can do or not, how can you he know? As a
Okay.
employer point of view, if it is a company, there is a HR interview persons are having some okay subject and they will discuss with you. But a
Hmm.
layman common man needs website in React.js, but he doesn't know about React. He don't want to learn about React, but he want to finish his website using React itself.
Hmm.
Then it is mandatory to show your previous work to this employee.
Okay.
Okay. So that you need to do practice, you need to create one demo projects, you
Hmm.
need to share that projects to this one, and you need to explain yourself that I am a fresher, I did this demo website, please have a look. If you are satisfied, I can do your website, you can hire me.
Okay. And what about the there is also database connectivity in the
Mm,
website and
mm,
all that.
mm,
So we didn't learn about the database connectivity and post method, delete method, and put method.
mm. So post method, delete method, put method, that is having relation with the database,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So I will give you about that topic in JSON server only. Whether my customer may use JSON server, or
Hmm.
they may use Node.js, or they may use MongoDB, or they may use MySQL. I
Hmm.
put in your React syllabus. There is no Node.js, MySQL database DB. There is no in your syllabus. There is no topics here. You need to learn separately.
Why there is not any database connectivity in the
Yes, in our syllabus, I told you by using JSON REST API, I will teach you about CRUD application.
okay.
There in our syllabus, there is no MongoDB course. There is no okay MySQL course. There is no database topic yet. That is a separate topic. That is a separate syllabus.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
So
MongoDB. I think in MongoDB or any kind of other database we have in my course, but
no, I shared you syllabus. Na MongoDB is not there. In your syllabus, you had only API, REST API, front-end development, React topics itself. You see, MongoDB is a large one, yeah.
hmm.
It is had relation with Node.js
Hmm.
and with Express.js.
Hmm.
They are similar with React.js. Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB. These are the sequel which you need to learn. That is not a single topic, single okay application like React.js, AngularJS.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you have anything else?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay, then you should see. Need a ID card software. He requires one ID card.
Hmm.
So let me see what is his requirement. So budget is around 37,000 rupees. This project does not exist. May he may deleted that one. Yes, okay, then. Okay, please go through this video. I will share you video.
Okay.
And if you had any doubts, let me know. And I
Hmm.
shared you something, okay, layout to you also. Try to
Hmm.
complete this one using Tailwind CSS. Okay,
Okay.
okay, yeah, then. Okay, bye.
Hmm. But
Yeah, bye.